Thank you. Give mommy a kiss. Give mommy a kiss.
No.
Good morning, guys. This is Vlogmas day number 4. We're getting there. This is a lot of work. I honestly don't know how daily vloggers do this because it's so much work. It's a challenge, but I think that it would be fun. Noah pooped and he doesn't want me to change his diaper. Noah, ¿te hiciste caca?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Now you're admitting it. Let's go change your diaper. I kept asking him earlier and he's like, no. Oh, I forgot to fix this rod. It's not gonna let me. No, 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 no.
Where's your cow?
This one. Whew. Let's change your diaper. Thank you. Give mommy a kiss. Give mommy a kiss.
No.
So I used to buy the Costco wipes and then I was out of wipes and I don't like going to Costco without my husband. So I decided to buy wipes at Target, and that's when I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna see what the hype is about when it comes to like the Honest company. And this pack alone right here was $4.99, and I think it's really pricey. But the thing that I do like about the wipes is that they have ridges on it. Is that what it's called? I don't know if you can see that on there, but anyways, these little ridges are easier, or actually make wiping a lot easier, so that you, when it comes to like really tough wiping. Gonna make some coffee. I gotta wash dishes. Like I said, I don't know, something got to me. I wasn't feeling myself late last night, and today in the morning, I don't know. I really don't know what it is. But anyways, I wasn't feeling myself, and I didn't wash last night's dishes, so I still need to finish cleaning all that up, and because I gotta go to work later. I'm cooking some tamales that my mom left me. So Thursday we made tamales for Thanksgiving, and she left a few here and I had them in the freezer, so I'm gonna cook these up so we can have dinner ready. If you guys are in the Fresno area, make sure to check out Taco Pinto. They have the best tacos ever. I promise you, you will not regret it.